Good morning, students. So today I am going to give you the solution of the worksheet. Can you see the pattern? Worksheet solution, okay? So this is the first question. You have to find the missing number, this one. So let's start. So these are the numbers given: 4, 4, 8, 24, 96, 480, question mark, then 20160. So what will be here? Now if you look at these numbers carefully clockwise, that means from here, if you see like this way, okay, we are seeing clockwise. So 4 and then again 4. So how it is coming? So 4 into 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. From this 4, if you multiply 1, we are getting this one. Next, from here 4 into 2, we are getting 8. Then 8 into 3, we are getting 24. Then 24 into 4, we are getting 96. Then 96 into 5, we are getting 480. Now 480 into 6. So 480 into 6 will be how much? Okay, 480 into 6 will be, your answer will be 2880. Your answer will be, if you multiply 480 into 6, you will get 2880. Next, how this number is coming? From 2880, if you multiply 7, you will get 20160. So your answer is 2880. So once again, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24, 24 into 4, 96, 96 into 5, 480, 480 into 6, 2880. This is your answer. And 2880 into 7, 20160. Okay. Now the next one. The next one is 6, 11, 21, 36, 56 dash. So how you are getting? From 6, if you add 5, you are getting 11. 6 plus 5, 11. From 11, if you add 10, you will get 21. From 21, if you add 15, you will get 36. From 36, if you add 20, you will get, from 36, if you add 20, you will get 56. So next one will be how much? So plus how much? Now you see here, plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 20. So next one will be plus 25. Okay, so 56 plus 25 is how much? If you add 81, your answer is 81. Okay, so once again, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 10, 21, 21 plus 15, 36, 36 plus 20, 56, 56 plus 25, 81. So your plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 20, plus 25. Your final answer is 81. Okay. Now the next one is this one, number 3. 466, 341, 250 is given. And you have to find out 398, 282 and question mark. So let's see. So what we'll do, first you subtract these two numbers, 466 and 341. If you subtract, okay, you will get 125. Now from 125, how will get 250? From 125, if you multiply 2, you will get 250. This is the answer. So what is the rule? This two number you will subtract, your answer will come 125. Then with the answer you will multiply 2, you will get this one, 250. Similarly here, if you subtract 398 and 282, you will get 116. Okay, and 116 if you multiply 116 if you multiply 2, so how much you will get? 116 into 2 will get 232. So your answer is 232. Okay. Now the next one. This one triangle is given 3, 8, 4, 48 and here 5, 7, 2 question mark. So let's start how you're getting this one. First, this number 8 and 4 you multiply. So how much you are getting? 3 into 8 into 4. You are getting 96. Now if you divide 2, you will get 48. This one is the answer. So what is the rule? First you have to multiply 3, 8, 4. Your answer 96. Then you have to divide 2. You will get this middle one, 48. Similarly here also. So first you have to multiply 5 into 7 into 2. It will come 70. Okay. Then if you divide 2, your answer will come 35. So here your answer will be 35. Okay. Now the next one. Here the number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then dash. So how you are getting? First you see this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from this one, if you remove 1, okay, if you remove 1, you see you are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this number. Okay. Now from 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you remove 6, you see you are getting this number 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the pattern? So from the first number we are removing this first one, 1, you are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from this number we are removing the last one, so you are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from this number again you remove the first one, so what is your answer? 345. Your answer is 345. So first to remove the first number, you will get the second number. From the second number, from the first number you remove the first digit, you will get the second number. From the second number you remove the last digit, 6, you will get the third number. From the third number again you remove the first digit, you will get the answer 345. Okay. Now this one, 5, 6, 15, 3, 93 and 7, 9, 6, 5 is dash. How you are getting this one? So here what we will do, first this two number you multiply, 5 into 15, how much? You will get 75. And this two number you multiply, 6 3s are how much? 18. Now if you add 75 and 18, you will get 93. Okay, so this is the rule. First you have to multiply this one, 75, then 6 into 3, 18, then you have to add. You will get 93. Similarly here also. So first you multiply these two, 7 5s are 35. Next you multiply these two, 9 6 54. Now you add 35 and 54. If you add, so you will get 5 plus 4, 9 and 5 plus 3, 89. Your answer is 89. Okay. Now this one, last one. Here is 1, 2, 3, 5, 13. 1, 4, 5, 6. This one you have to find out. And 1, 3, 5, 4 again 17. So how? Again see. So first you multiply these two numbers, 5 3. Now see, this type of pattern you have to understand. You have to multiply or you have to subtract. Okay. First you have to understand the pattern, then you have to do it. So 5 3 is 15. And if you multiply these two, 2 1s are 2. Now how you are getting 13? So 15 minus 2 is 13. So 15 minus 2 is 13. Okay. This one also you can see. 5 3s are, sorry, not this one. This two. 5 4s are 20. And multiply these two, 3 1s are 3. And if you subtract 20 minus 3, 17. Now the main answer. So first you have to multiply these two, 5 6 are 30. And here if you multiply 4 1s are 4. Now you subtract. 30 minus 4, your answer is 26. So your answer is 26. Okay. So I hope all the solutions are clear to you. So once again, just go through the solutions. It will be clear to you. Okay. So today up to this much. Thank you.